Hey guys, good morning to all of you. This is your senior educator, Mr. Ajay Suryakant Maske Patil. Today I am going to teach you how to say thank you in different ways, how to say thank you in other ways. If stranger person helps you, that time how can you thanks in other ways, in different ways. So today I am going to inform you, today I am going to say 10 different ways. What guys? 10 different ways to say thank you to stranger person, to known person, to your relatives, to colleagues, to your friends, while you are in society, while you are in at your college. That time, how to elaborate your thoughts, how to say thank you in different ways. Thank you and thanks, these are very common phrases. What guys? Thank you and thanks, these are very common phrases. Now I am going to teach you how to elaborate, how to elucidate thoughts in or different ways to say thank you, to elaborate your gratitude about someone, to elaborate, to elucidate your gratitude about stranger person, known person, unknown person, for everyone. While you are chatting on your mobile, that time you always use thanks, thank you. But in other ways, how? If you want to be a orator of English language, if you want to be a orator of English language, that time how could you use thanks to thank you? Thank you is more formal than thanks. What guys? Thank you is more formal than thanks. A formal communication. That time you are speaking with your principal, you are speaking with your teacher, you are speaking with your boss, you are speaking with your manager. That time you should use thank you word rather than thanks. Thanks is informal word. You use thank word to your friends, to your colleagues, to your relatives, to your children. There are so many things you will use thanks, but thank you is formal word. So I am telling you without waiting a single minute. Look guys, today I am going to teach you how to say thank you in other ways. Other way to thank you. Other way to say thank you. Other way to say thank you. Different way to say thank you. Number one, thank you. My gratitude knows no bounds. What guys? My gratitude knows no bounds. You will use instead of thank you that word, that phrase. My gratitude knows no bounds. And at the final, at the end of the video, guys, I will elaborate a bonus tip. You will use everywhere that instead of thank you. Look guys, my gratitude knows no bounds. Number two, words can't describe how thankful I am. Words can't describe how thankful I am. Look guys, words can't describe how thankful I am. First one is my gratitude knows no bounds. Words can't describe how thankful I am. Another one, if anyone deserves thanks, it's you. If anyone deserves thanks, it's you. Instead of you, thank you. Look, number 4. I will never forget what you have done. I will never forget what will you have done. After that, I wanted to thank you as soon as possible. What guys? I wanted to thank you as soon as possible. You will use that phrase instead of thanks, instead of thank you. Guys, look, number 6. It was the awesome of you. What it was the awesome of you. If someone helped you, that time you use that phrase. It was awesome of you. After that, number 8. I am really grateful for your help. Look guys, this is a very essential and very beneficial trick. Just say, I really grateful for your help. What? I really grateful for your help. After that, number 9. Please accept my endless gratitude. Instead of thanks, instead of thank you, you should use please accept my endless gratitude. What guys? Please accept my endless gratitude. Then number 10 and last one is please accept my depaid thanks. What guys? Please accept my depaid thanks. And the bonus trick, I am going to elaborate a bonus trick, and that bonus trick you should use. Words are powerless to express my thanks. What guys? Words are powerless to express my gratitude. You will use instead of thanks. This is very beneficial and one of the powerful phrases. Instead of use thank you, and that one is Words are powerless to express my gratitude. Words are powerless to express my gratitude. I have hand over you these 10 tricks and one bonus trick. You should use in day-to-day lifestyle while you are speaking, while you are elaborating your thanks, your thank you to someone. That time you use instead of thank you and thank these phrases. And these are phrases like that. My gratitude knows no bounds. Words can't describe how thankful I am. If anyone deserves thanks, it's you. I will never forget what you have done. I wanted to thank you as soon as possible. It is hard to find words to express my gratitude. It was so awesome of you. I am really grateful for your help. Please accept my endless gratitude. Please accept my deepest thanks. And number 11 is words are powerless to express my gratitude. These are the easiest way to say thank you to someone. Use thank you. While if you want to, instead of thank you, you should use that phrases. If you like my video, then do subscribe, do like and share with your friends that link, guys. Thank you so much. This is AJAY signing off. Thank you so much.